Calibration is a crucial step for machinery scanner, and we highly recommend perform it every week. If you require high accuracy, make sure to warm up the UE Nova and TE Nova until temperature stabilizes before proceeding with the UE Nova calibration and system calibration. And if you want to use UE Nova separately, you need to do the UE Nova laser calibration. UE Nova calibration is the first step in this process, consisting of 90 steps and requiring 3 different postures of the calibration rod. Before start, you need to scan the QR code on the calibration rod and then start calibration. On the left side of the software interface, you can see the front view of the UE Nova, which displays the height of the calibration rod. The right side shows the top view, indicating the distance between you and the UE Nova. As the 30th step, turn the calibration rod horizontally and continue with the next 30 steps. For the final 30 steps, tilt the calibration rod to the side as instructed. Then complete the calibration. Once the UE Nova calibration is finished, you can either start scanning immediately or process to system calibration. Before starting, adjust the tripod to a suitable height for easier calibration. This step will align both the TE Nova and the UE Nova, so be careful not to block any marker pens on TE Nova. The size of the ring displayed in the center indicates the distance between the TE Nova and the calibration board, with the X and Y axis representing the angle. You can also use your mouse to drag the TE Nova within the software to change this view, helping you find the correct position. Hold UE Nova, scan the QR code on the rod first, then you can start UE Nova laser calibration. Put the calibration rod at the ground and unfold the calibration board horizontally and put them around the rod. The calibration process is very similar to the handheld scanners. Just control distance and angle, and the calibration will be done. That's the calibration process for the FreeScan Trak Nova.